Salade niçoise is a delicious salad from the beautiful Côte d'Azur region in France. And this salad perfectly illustrates how easy it is to adapt recipes to cooking them in your combi steam oven. Why? Because in this recipe we need steamed potatoes, hard-boiled eggs, and steamed green beans. So you have a choice: 3 saucepans or 1 tray in the combi steam oven. So obviously the thing to take into account is timing. I've cut the potatoes fairly small, and they're nice fresh potatoes, so they'll cook quickly, maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. To hard-boil eggs in the combi steam oven is usually about 20 minutes. If you like a little softer center, back it out a few minutes. And then of course the green beans will only take about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the level of crispness you like. So, what else completes this salad? Well, niçoise olives or black olives of your choice, some cherry tomatoes, a dressing with olive oil and red wine vinegar, and a little bit of chopped onion. Now, the traditional recipe includes canned tuna, and it's absolutely delicious. But today we're going to steam some salmon at the same time, and we'll have a salmon niçoise. So this gives you a clue. This recipe is open to many different interpretations. And if you didn't want to steam the salmon, well, I've seen recipes where they oil poach tuna, and that can be just as delicious. The point is, put your steam oven to work, liberate your hands, and let them focus on something else to prepare the meal. So let's get this cooking. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.